Okay, now let us take another 2008 problem which says that a focus of an ellipse is at origin. So that means first of all it is ellipse, so ellipse has two focus, we know that, and one of the focus of the ellipse given to you is origin. So if I say f1, or let's suppose I call it s1, is nothing but a point 0 comma 0, and the directrix is given to you the line x equal to 4, and also sorry, this is the directrix. Alright, and also given to you is that eccentricity is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now you need to find the length of the semi-major axis. So if I first of all, what do you mean by semi-major axis? If I see the equation of ellipse, it is x square plus of this sort, where length of major axis is basically 2a. So semi-major axis, if I use the word semi, the semi means half. Okay, semi-major axis will be equal to a only. Okay, now let us draw ellipse first of all to understand what do you mean by the equation. Okay, this is the ellipse. Okay, and these are the you can for example say the axis. This is the directrix, and in the case of ellipse we know that the equation of the directrix is a by e. Okay, and this focus would be what? AE comma 0. Okay, so now if you measure the distance between the directrix and the focus, what it would be? It would be the this distance, okay, and minus this distance, which is nothing but the you just need to subtract the abscissa of these 2 points, and let's suppose what I'm talking of is S1, and let suppose we be D. So I need to find the distance S1D. So basically what would be S1D? S1D will be A by E minus A, as simple as that, because A by E is the distance from the origin. So what I have done is, if this is equal to OD minus OS1, and this is what I needed to find. Okay, now how do I correlate what I have done up till now with the given question? It says that now this point S1 is your origin. So basically this point is 0 comma 0, and this line is x equal to 4. So that means this S1D distance now will be equal to 4, because now this is the y axis which I have plotted. Okay, so this distance is given to you as 4. This is equal to 4 now, and you have to solve for a, and what you know is a by e minus ae equal to 4. Okay, you know the value of e, you just need to calculate a, and which is very easy. You can take a common. This will be 1 by e minus e is equal to 4. So this implies that a, and you know that the value of e is given to be 1 by 2. So 1 by e will be 2, and this will be 1 by 2 equal to 4. So this implies a is equal to, this will be what? This will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2 equal to 4. So that implies a becomes equal to 8 by 3, which is there in the option A. Hence the option A was the correct in the paper. So this was a good question, and the trick that I have used is also, you can say it's a very tricky one, that we have solved it in a very small fraction manner, that we just needed S1D, and since the focus has been shifted to origin, so all the calculations will be done now according to the focus, since it has become the origin. Okay.